Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Nettie. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. So today I decided to do a makeup tutorial for you guys. I'm not the greatest at makeup, just disclaimers, because I'm not the best, but I try, I swear. But today I decided to create more of a fun summery look just because summer is around the corner. Even though we are in quarantine, that don't stop us from living a hot summer, you know. If you live in the valley, Fresno gets fucking hot. So we went ahead and did this dramatic, kind of dramatic, not really dramatic, but it looks dramatic because of the black and the color, and it's just great. So if you guys would like to see how I accomplished this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I started off with the NYX HD Studio Primer. However, I don't like this primer, I wouldn't recommend it. And then I went in with the Benefit Pore Primer and just applied it on my pore areas of my face. Then I went in with my Urban Decay foundation in the shade 7.75 and 4.0, and the reason why I mixed these two is because if I use it by itself, I will get an orange tint to my face. Anyways, now I'm moving on with the Tarte concealer, the Shape and Tape in the color light medium, and just applying this on my eyes. Now I'm going in with my Airspun Loose face powder and just applying it underneath my eyes, and then blending it in with a beauty blender, and then grabbing my face powder brush and just applying it all over my face. Now going into the BH Studio Pro Ultimate Brow Palette, I'm just going to use that shade there. And then I hate doing my eyebrows, I'm not going to lie. This is like the worst thing ever, but you know, I have to do them. But yeah, I don't even know how to explain how I do my eyebrows, to be honest, but like I kind of just look at one eyebrow and then go back and forth, because I have one good eyebrow and then one terribly ugly eyebrow, you know what I mean? So I just try to go with it, and I'm concealing here with the Shape and Tape concealer, and then just brushing and just going back and forth, and obviously one's fatter than the other one, but it's okay. Now going in with the Morphe Highlight and Contour Palette, I'm going to be using that shade and just contouring my whole face. I don't know if you guys would like a more in-depth video on this, but if you guys do, leave a comment and I will address it. And then I'm going in with the Airspun and just, you know, contouring my face. And then here I'm contouring my nose, and I'm adding the Airspun powder on here too. And I'm priming my eyelids with the Morphe primer, and just adding some Airspun powder on there. Now going in with the Mercury HudaBeauty palette, I am taking the color Utopia and just using this as a transition shade and just blending all of this into my eyelids. Yeah, look at that. Let's go. And then I realized that holy shit, I've been having this on for way too long, and took it off. Now using the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, I took the color Real Guard and then just used a tinier blending brush and then just applied this on the crease of my eyes, and now I'm blending it, working it in there, and then I'm just building the color. And now I'm taking the Tape and Shape concealer and just cutting my crease. You don't have to go all out on this. If you don't want to, you don't have to. I didn't. Now taking the Morphe 35B palette, I'm taking this beautiful bright like yellow color and just building the color onto my eyelids. And then I'm gonna go in with this orange shade and just build the outer corner with the orange shade with my blending brush. It's a much smaller brush. And then I decided to add a pop of color, and holy shit, I don't know where the hell I was going with this color, but I said fuck it, and we added this onto the outer corner of our eyes and just started building it and then blending the hell out of it. Then going back to the same palette, we're taking the orange shade and just blending it on the bottom, and then we switched it up to this pink shade and we just added it to our lower lash line as well, and then just blend those two shades together. Now I felt that we needed more dramatic. I don't know why the hell I thought that, but we went with it, and I used the Wet n Wild liquid eyeliner and I just built my eyeliner, and here we are. Now I'm going in with my Tarte mascara and just applying this on my top and lower lashes. Now because I'm all over the place, I decided that it was time to remove the powder out of my face and then highlight my nose, because I totally forgot to do that, and here I am highlighting my nose with the Jeffree Star highlighter. And then I realized that my nose wasn't skinny enough, so I went back with a damn brush, and then here I am contouring the shit out of my nose once again. And then with the same highlighter from Jeffree Star, I'm highlighting my face. So my cheeks, my forehead, and my chin. Yeah, there we go. Now I'm applying my lashes. These are from Ardell and the number is 213. I absolutely love these lashes. And the glue is Duo. And now topping it off with a Fenty Beauty lip gloss. And now I am redoing my eyeliner so my lashes don't show. Now I'm using a Wet n Wild eyeliner and I'm just going on my lower lash line, and holy shit, this was torture. Now I decided that I needed a pop of yellow in my inner corner, so I took the shimmery shade from the 35B palette and just highlighted the inner corners of my eye. That is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you guys did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, drop a comment down below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.